Restaurants are now starting to open back up through this pandemic, and this is the perfect time to do another copycat recipe from Chart House, where we recently went to celebrate my birthday. And we're going to go ahead and add this to our restaurant made at home series. So you guys go ahead and check that playlist out. Now what we're going to create today was our favorite dish, and it was called the shrimp crab mango avocado stack. It was so delicious and so fresh, and we're going to show you how to make it in 5 easy steps. Now, for the sake of time, I've already cut up my ingredients nice and small because you want to have everything already prepped. So all you have to do is just put it together like boom, boom, boom. We got some fresh mangoes, some cilantro, some red pepper, and then here we have some diced red onion. You can put as much or as little as you like, depending on which one you love. But look at this mango salsa. It looks so vibrant and so fresh, and trust me, it was everything just that. Step 2, we're gonna go ahead and cut the shrimps up because we need these things to be bite-sized to go into our crab shrimp mixture, and this is the best part of this dish. Now let me give you a little story time about this crab meat. This crab meat is so expensive in the stores now, y'all. Oh my goodness. I tried to avoid buying it at my local grocery store thinking it was too high. Then I go to my international store where I know I can get it cheaper, and I end up paying more at the international store. I was so mad. But we're going to go ahead and put some mayonnaise in this mix. And you don't want to put too much mayonnaise because you don't want it to be too wet. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and put some lemon in there. Yes, some fresh lemon juice, but without the seeds. You know, just make it taste really good. And then some Old Bay to season it up because you still got to have some flavor up in this shrimp and crab mix. But you really want to taste it and make sure it tastes good before we add it to the dish. Now, step 3, the fun part, the DIY part. Yes, I had to DIY these molds because I didn't have anything to put this dish in. So we had to improvise. And here we're going to go in with the first layer, which is the avocado. All right. And this was some homemade avocado that we made with some onions and some tomatoes. And it came out so good. So this is going to be the first layer. And we're just going to stack it up, you know, make it look cute. All right. Boom. Now, we're going to go on to the second layer, which is our mango salsa that we spent so much time to make. And this is so fresh and so good, you guys, with that cilantro. This mold is really holding up with this crab and shrimp mix. And yes, y'all want to go ahead and be heavy with this because, like I said, this was the best part of the dish. Okay? So make sure you add enough and then smooth it out and then try to make it even because when you take it out the mold, you don't want half to be lopsided. So just take your time and make sure you spread it out good. Yep, we're going to go in with one more scoop because we're going to need that extra scoop, y'all. I'm telling you, this is so good. And now we can get ready for the finale. Go ahead and admire your work because you did it. But first, we got to put it in the refrigerator because we got to let the thing chill. Step 4 is the most important part of all because if it's not chilled, you cannot unveil it. It's just going to fall apart. All right? Do not skip this step. Now, for the finale. Did y'all really think I was going to mess that up? Nope. We did so good, y'all. Ooh, look at this thing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And then we got to top it. Now, I think they use mint in the restaurant, but we're going to go ahead and improvise and use some cilantro. All right. And then we had these chips that came with it. Now, I was so mad because that was another thing. I couldn't find the actual chips that came with it, but these were some yucca chips that we fried up. And these was amazing as well with it. All right, you guys. So, boom. This is the final look of this dish. Mine is on the right and theirs is on the left. Go ahead and vote and let us know which one is best. We'll see you guys back for the next restaurant at home video. Let us know what you guys want to see next. See y'all later.